table. Moving on then, an interesting deal may be brewing in the education space. Private equity interest that had, remember, dwindled in this particular sector now seems to be returning. Which listed company is in focus and what are the details? My colleague Vivek Iyer is right here with the details. Tell us, Vivek.
Well, that's absolutely right. So a company, in which Navneet Education actually has an investment. The name of the company is K12 Techno Services. This particular company is in deal talks. We understand that private equity investor, Kedaara Capital, is likely to invest close to 1,000 crores into this particular company itself. We understand that this particular fund infusion would actually involve buying out certain percentage of stake from an already existing investor in K12, and along with that, there will also be an infusion, a certain proportion of infusion as far as fresh equity capital is concerned. We understand that this particular deal will value K12 Techno Services at a 25 to 30% premium to the previous round at which fundraising was done. Now, why is Navneet Education in focus? Navneet Education, remember, owns close to 22% stake in K12. This is as per the last presentation that the company uploaded. We also understand that on the back of the fact that you will be seeing an upward revision as far as the valuation of K12 is concerned, Navneet Education will benefit. What does K12 Techno Services do? Provides elementary education to students from KG to the 12th grade, and in K12 itself, the large investors are Sequoia Capital as well as Navneet Learning. In fact, if you look at the investing shareholding pattern of K12 Techno Services, Sequoia Capital directly owns close to 29% stake in the company. SCI Growth Investments Fund 4 as well as Fund 5 own 13% and 14.8% respectively. Navneet Learning close to 23.81%, and Sofina Ventures, another private equity company, owns close to 20% stake in the company. It's an interesting deal brewing. Remember, we've written to both Navneet Education as well as Kedaara Capital. We are yet to receive a response from both of these companies.
All right, Vivek, thanks a lot for getting us all of those very interesting details. But with that, let's move on and talk